Miss Miller, is it Miss or Mrs.?
Mrs.
Mrs. Miller, you brought this case before the court. What is going on?
This is my
future
son's
daughter-in-law.
baby mama.
Okay.
Future daughter-in-law.
And Tracy. So Tracy leaves the kids with me and didn't come back to check on the kids, haven't done anything, just dropped them off and took off and expects me to take care of the children with no money. She doesn't drop food off, she didn't leave any clothes, she didn't do anything. Tracy says she works all the time. That's what she tells me.
Okay.
That's where she is. So she hasn't done anything with the kids.
Okay.
And they're small kids. They're 3 and 4.
She dropped them off and vanished. A grandmother stands in court, pleading for answers. Her future daughter-in-law, Tracy, left 2 toddlers ages 3 and 4, with no warning, no clothes, no food, and no money. For 6 months, she's been raising them alone. But Tracy claims she's just working. Is this neglect or survival? Stay with this case. The truth is about to unravel.
I'm trying to deal with a 3 and 4-year-old while she runs around and does whatever Tracy decides she wants to do.
Okay. Is her name Tracy?
Yes, Tracy. Tracy, I guess is what it is.
It's Tracy, Judge.
Okay.
It's not that hard. It's just Tracy.
Oh, okay.
So special. She's very special.
According to your son, I am.
Ooh.
Okay. Tracy,
He just
what
has
is-
bad
what's
taste
your
in
last
women.
name?
My name is Tracy Smith, Judge.
Smith. Okay.
Yes, and I'm prepared. I've watched your court hearings on Zoom and the other
Kiss it
courts.
up. Are you really
So I'm-
kiss it up?
Excuse me.
And the courtroom turns personal. The gloves come off. Tracy enters with confidence, and a twishy's done her homework. She's watched the judge's Zoom hearings and is ready for battle. But Miss Miller sees it differently. Is Tracy genuinely prepared or just performing? And why is her presence setting off so much tension? The drama only deepens in the next part.
There is nothing wrong with watching hearings on Zoom. That's not kissing up.
It just sounds like a kiss up to me.
No. Well,
that would be Tracy.
What-
That would be her.
Okay. Mrs. Miller, we're going to be nice and
Yes,
respectful.
I apologize,
It's not
Your Honor.
kissing up if she is watching court on Zoom. That's why we live
Yeah,
stream, so
yeah.
you can watch it. And a lot of people watch it to get prepared. I see you have your notes there.
Yes,
I see
yes,
that she has notes there. That's okay.
Yeah, it is okay, but I would watch it if I wasn't watching kids and kid shows, but that's because I got kids, but.
Prepared, or pretending Tracy says she's watched court online. But to Miss Miller, it's just another act. The courtroom gets heated over notes, Zoom hearings, and responsibility. Tracy defends her right to be ready. Miller says she should have been watching the kids instead. This courtroom clash is just heating up. Don't blink.
Your Honor, I don't
understand.
know why
I
she's so
understand.
mean to me.
Oh,
Like,
here
I
go the
don't
tears.
understand.
Here go the tears.
Okay,
Here go
hold
the
on,
tears.
hold on. Miss Smith, I'll get over to you in just a moment. Okay, now, Mrs. Miller,
Yes.
you said she dropped the kids off and go do, how do you know the things that she do?
She claims she's working, but she claims she has no money. I'm trying to figure out how that works. How do you work but have no money for your children? I mean, I'm confused because I don't understand that.
How long have the children been with you?
6 months.
6 months, and who dropped them off to you?
She did.
Okay.
Tracy did.
6 months, no help, no answers. Miss Miller finally breaks. She's had the kids half a year with no clothes, no food, and no money. From Tracy. Tracy says she's working. But how can you work and still have nothing for your own children? The judge asks the question we're all thinking. What's really going on behind Tracy's story? Next part reveals more.
I'm assuming the two of you don't get along.
She's not my favorite person. No.
Oh, okay.
No, she's really not. She's really not.
I mean, well, why is that?
I just
curious.
because she lies. She's not taking care of her children. She tricked my son into having children with her.
I did not
just
trick
don't
your son
understand.
into my bed. I
I
didn't
don't
trick your son into my bed. He got there
She
voluntarily.
kind of got a
That's
point
what
there.
you offered.
And very happily, might
That's
I
what
add.
you offered. So he got in the bed.
Okay, so how do you know their relationship?
My son tells me things.
Right. You
then-
only get it. Hear me out. You're only getting information from your son.
The blame game turns personal. Miller accuses Tracy of lying, of trapping her son into fatherhood. Tracy fires back, this wasn't a trick. The tension explodes as the judge demands answers. Is this about the kids or old wounds between two women? Who never wanted to be family next part gets even messier.
And I'm not saying that your son is not being truthful, but that's just one side of it. It's always another side.
I see stuff.
And it seems like you're very passionate about your grandchildren.
Yes, I am.
So you should at least pretend to get along with their mother. I mean, she did drop the kids off to you, so she must trust you, right?
I don't say anything bad about her.
Wait a minute. She did trust you enough to drop the children off to you, right?
Or she had no one else.
Okay, but even still, with having no one else, she could have put the kids with somebody that she really didn't know.
But my grandchildren, she was.
That's my point. She trusted you enough to bring them to you.
Good point. Point
okay.
taken.
She trusted her with her kids, or did she have no choice? The judge shifts the focus. If Tracy left the kids with Miller, doesn't that show some level of trust? Or was it desperation as the courtroom wrestles with motives and truth? One thing is clear. These kids are caught in the middle. This story's layers keep unfolding. Don't miss what's next.
Now, isn't it fair to say
my son's idea?
Part of your son's idea to do what?
Drop the children off to me. She probably didn't think about it.
Okay, is that a bad thing?
No, it's a good thing. I'm just saying she probably didn't contribute to that. It was probably his decision. Yeah.
Okay, I'm not following.
She probably
would
would have just left him with anybody.
Your Honor, I'm going to object. I object, Your Honor.
What you objected for? You ain't no attorney. How you objected?
Wait, she has the right to object. Both of you can object.
Oh,
you
I didn't know
represent
that.
yourself.
Okay, that's good to know. Okay, now I'm listening.
Now, what is your objection?
That's not true.
Okay, what is your legal objection?
That it's not true.
All right, so that's not a legal objection.
Not an attorney.
Who made the call to drop the kids off the court? Digs deeper. Was it Tracy's idea to leave the kids, or her son's Miller, insists her son made the decision? But now, both women are speaking over each other. Legal chaos breaks loose, and the judge reminds them this is not just family drama. Legal truths are about to be exposed. Stay tuned.
So it doesn't matter. She watches court on Zoom, so she is learning how to represent herself.
Right.
Let's not knock anyone for trying
true.
to represent themselves. That's
true.
not a legal objection, unfortunately. So I'm going to allow her to keep speaking, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Now, Mrs. Miller, is there anything else you want me to know? Well, before I go there, let me ask you a question. Did you all communicate at all about why the children were being dropped off to you?
My son is in the military.
Okay.
So Tracy, should be taking care of the children.
Okay.
But she got this new career that she has to worry about.
You can't shout over Justice Tracy. Gets silenced as she tries to object. But the judge reminds her watching court online doesn't make you a lawyer. Still, Tracy insists she's learning. Meanwhile, Miss Miller reveals a twist. Her son is in the military. So why is Tracy starting a new career while Grandma plays mom? The emotional core of this battle is coming into focus.
So
that's a good thing, right?
If it'll keep you away from your children, no.
Okay.
No.
And you said 6 months they've been with you.
Mm-hmm. 6 months.
Was there a discussion about it being a temporary thing, or was it just permanent?
Temporary.
Oh, you told me it was going to be temporary?
I told your son it was going to be temporary.
You didn't tell me it was going to be temporary when you dropped them off.
Okay, so I see kind of what's going on here. Sounds like a lot of miscommunication. You're communicating with your son directly about the things that she and your son discussed, but your son is not really relaying it to you as though he spoke to her about it. That's what it sounds like.
Temporary turns permanent, and the lies begin to show. Tracy says it was only supposed to be a few weeks. Miller says she never heard that. The judge senses the real issue: miscommunication, or worse, manipulation. What was promised and what was hid in this case is heading toward a turning point. Don't miss it.
That's what it sounds like, but my son wouldn't lie. He wouldn't make up things.
He wouldn't lie, but you would.
Okay, wait a minute. So you said your son wouldn't lie. Did he tell you?
Did she just call me a liar, though? Did you just call me a liar, girl?
I don't think she said that. I didn't hear that word.
It better not have been that word.
Yeah, I don't think she said that word.
Gift for rewriting reality.
Miss Smith, we will get to you shortly.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry, just don't do it. Okay?
I should know that by now. I watch your court all the time. I won't do it again.
Just
Okay,
gotta watch
thank
them
you.
YouTubes a little closer next time.
Okay, that was not
I'm
nice.
sorry. You said be nice.
Miss Miller.
I apologize.
You do not have to act like that, okay?
I don't.
Lies, trust, and a courtroom hanging on every word. Miss Miller insists her son wouldn't lie. Tracy stays calm until she's accused of calling Miller a liar. The judge steps in. Order is restored, but only for a moment. These aren't just legal claims, they're personal wounds aired out in courtroom. The story is not finished. If you're following this journey, like this video, drop a comment, and hit subscribe. What would you do in a situation like this? Stay tuned. The next part will change everything.